Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Savannah blue haul, and the last time I ordered from her I feel like I ranted beforehand, so I want to do a regular normal haul for this vendor without any stuff beforehand. So this is her card, and I did want to order from her last restock. She always sends like a nice little card, just super cute presentation with the matching paper, and it just says thank you for your order. And then it just says, and thanks again for the video you did on our wax. Have a great day, Amy. So Amy is the owner. See if I can put this little card up there without it falling. I just think that's nice, you know? I mean, cards aren't cheap. Well, you know what I mean. Like, if you buy them in bulk or whatever. But I mean, it's not, I mean, a card is not given by every vendor. So I just think it's a nice touch. So I don't, let's see, I haven't pulled everything out. I just thought we'd smell together as I went through, but here's a sample. There might be more samples in here, but I just haven't pulled everything out. This is Lake Adventure. This is fresh air, crisp water, mossy cedarwood, vanilla amber musk with a hint of pine and green apples. Ooh. Huh. Oh, that's what I'm smelling. I'm smelling the green apples, I think. Something smells very fruity in there. I don't know if I love that one, but I will try it. It's a sample size, so that's always like great in the bathroom area. Then I got this. It's so funny. I was like, I really want one of those hot air balloons. I don't know why. I think I saw Susan Fitz showing this or something, but I just had to get one. She only had 2 scents in this, and the other one was like bathrobe or her bathrobe, and it sold out really fast. So I got Island Clean, and this is sweet strawberry, iced pineapple, and Gain Island Fresh. And so this is what our hot air balloons look like. I just think they look so pretty when I saw them. I mean, they're pretty hefty size too. I don't, you know, I need to try Gain Island Fresh because I don't think I've ever tried that, and it smells really good. Especially with that pineapple and I guess the strawberry. That's really actually very pretty. Really glad I was able to pick that one up. I wasn't sure. Sometimes I'm just not sure about scents, but I'll just grab them anyways because you just don't ever know. I grabbed Copper Coconut Type, and so we just have that on the back. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing that maybe it's Bath and Body Works. Okay, that one's nice. It's like a coconut milk, but it's a little bit different. It's kind of got, shoot, I wish I had a description. It's coconutty, but it's not so sweet coconut like some of the ones I've had before. So that one's really pretty. I grabbed a lot of the tiles. I grabbed Java Mocha, which I guess is some sort of coffee. Yeah, that smells a lot like Cafe Reggio from VCS. That's what it's reminding me of right off the bat. There's that. And then I grabbed Beach Blankets, which is cotton sheets and salty Sierra. You can't really go wrong with a blend like this, so. Yeah, that is, it doesn't smell like clean cotton to me, but I definitely get a cotton scent with the salty Sierra. You can see how pretty her tiles are. It reminds me of a scent I've had before, but I can never remember. I'm horrible at remembering. That's gonna fall over. She also had these things on her site called triple layer bars or something. I don't know. They're super cute though. So I grabbed, this is Copper Coconut Bars. So it's her like 3 scents that she mixed. So that's My Daughter in the Water, Copper Coconut, and Coastal Vibes. Now I think Coastal Vibes had blue sugar in it, so I was a little scared because I don't like blue sugar, but I thought maybe with the mix, it's kind of like a Twix bar. There's 2 of them in there, so triple layered, and she's got all this fun sparkle on top. I don't know, I can smell that blue sugar in there, so I'm a little scared. That's probably the first thing that my nose is picking up because I'm so familiar, like, of why I don't like it, but I think I'm gonna let that one cure a little bit. These are pretty much freshly poured anyways, so I'm gonna let that sit for a little while before I go ahead and try to warm that. She also had a coffee bar, which is Swiss coffee, Java mocha, and cafe noir, and that's what that one looks like. Again, super pretty. I think these are a cool concept, mixing 3 scents together. I haven't seen anything like that from any other vendors. I mean, I've seen, you know, them like triple scent things, but I've never seen these bars. It's just a really good coffee scent. If you like the bakery kind of coffees, not a straight black coffee, you would like that. And then I got the lavender coconut bar. How pretty is that one? It's with the purple and then like the flower sprinkles. So this is Coconut Coast Day Trip and Lavender Coconut. This one was a weird one for me to pick up because I don't always love lavender scents. They have to be blended like a special way or a certain way. Oh, this one smells really good though. This definitely has herbal and sweet lavender in it, I feel like. Now these blends are, like each of these 3 scents have, you know, more than just lavender in them. I'm just telling you, like, I mean, they obviously don't have the full scent description, but that's, I'm just telling you what I smell as far as like lavender. Okay, so then I got a, I guess it's, I don't know, another shape in Sun and Sea. Smells good. That one smells really good. I need to look up the scent description on this one and see what is in Sun and Sea. I don't even know. Sorry, this is like Angie would say, this is a hot mess because I didn't look up scent descriptions on anything. Some of these do have scent descriptions and some of them don't. So Day Trip is herbal lavender, coconut cream pie, and marshmallow fluff. That was one of the scents in that triple layer bar. Okay, that's a very strong, like, herbal lavender there. But you do smell the marshmallow, so hopefully that'll kind of like tone it down a little bit. I can't do like overly herbal marshmallow scents. I mean, marshmallow scents. Marshmallow scents hopefully like will kind of tone it down a little bit. Let's find some more samples in here. I grabbed Sweetie Pie, which is pretzels with strawberry cake batter and whipped cream. This one sounded so good to me. I was just like, let me go ahead and grab that one. That one's pretty strong on the strawberry cake scent. The whipped cream, I'm not getting a lot of pretzel, but this is a very different strawberry than I've ever smelled. I like it though. It's I'll have to get it on warm, or you know, warm it, but next one I have is another Cafe Noir, and this is, oh, it doesn't say. Got it for some reason. I love her logo too. I just love that hot air balloon. So this one is a little bit more of the black coffee than that other one I had that I said smelled like Cafe Reggio. This one's a little more of a deeper dark black coffee, not as sweet. Okay, and then I went ahead and I grabbed Water Babies, and Water Babies is copper tone type, lavender, chamomile, coconut, and fresh cut grass. Now this is way out of my comfort zone. I don't love fresh cut grass. I don't really know what copper tone smells like. Whew, okay. What am I smelling in here? I don't know. This is one of those ones I'm going to have to get on a warmer to see. I don't know if it's the fresh cut grass or maybe the chamomile, possibly the lavender. It might just be too much. It might be too much of a mix of everything in there. So we'll see on that one. sorry if I sound like I am like ASMRing this video, but I'm trying not to wake up the dog. He starts barking whenever he hears noises, and once he gets going, there is no stopping him. So I grabbed 2 scent shots in Coconut Coast, Creamy Coconut, Island Air with a hint of fruit. Oh, that one's very pretty. I like that. That one's like a nice sweet, just like it says, creamy coconut, just a little bit of fruit, not a lot. The next one I have is Flannel Sheets, and this is sun-dried clean cotton. I like trying everyone's flannel sheets because I'm trying to familiarize myself with the different laundry oils, and that one is good. There is a floral scent out there that I just cannot do, so this one isn't too floral, so that's good. Okay, and then I have 2 more samples here. I have a Little Pink Houses, which is clean cotton, pink berries, and tonka. I feel like I got this sample in my last order, or I feel like maybe I got this in my order. Oh, that one's actually really pretty. That smells like a Scentsy scent to me. It's very pretty. And then, okay, we got Pirate Jack, which is blackcurrant, saffron, absinthe, blackberries, anise, and amber. I wonder what that one's gonna smell like. Ooh, that's interesting. It's kind of got like a sweet, like with the black currants, and then it's got like a hint of like, it hits you with that, I think the saffron and maybe the anise. It's kind of got like a manly scent. That one smells like it might give me a headache. Like I'm kind of smelling it, and like I could kind of feel like that one might have to be warmed like in a bathroom that I'm not going to be visiting for a while. But anyways, okay, so that is my order, I think. Oh, whoops, no it's not. I need to go through these better. I got another sample. That was really nice. This is Summer Sippin', Sangria Peach, and Copper Coconuts. Oh, that one's really pretty. Definitely get the punch on that one. Definitely get the fruitiness from the punch. So there's that. Okay, so that was my order. That was my second time ordering from Savannah Blue. I got quite a bit. Mostly the smaller shapes though. I tried to stay kind of small. She did have bigger things like loaves, and I think she had like triple layer loaves as well. I wasn't like feeling that though, because I didn't want, like I said before in a couple videos before, I'm trying to stay away from like loaves and like bigger items just because I don't need that in my life right now. So I'm trying to stay to like smaller quantities of things so I can just kind of see, like when I'm trying a new vendor out, just kind of test them out here and there and see what I like and see how it performs for me and so on and so forth. So anyways, all right, I will be back in another video here soon, and again, I would definitely recommend trying out Savannah Blue. I have not warmed anything from her yet, but I have been talking to some other people that have warmed her stuff and do like her stuff. So, you know, as always, it just always depends on, you know, because I mean, what am I trying to say? I don't know where I'm going, but you know, sometimes you'll talk about a vendor and you can talk about it all day long about how much you love it and how great it is, and then someone else will get it and they'll be like, I'm not having good luck. So I kind of always hesitate when I haven't warmed something myself to like kind of give you like that backup. But even things that I have come on and said, this works great for me, there's always like 1 or 2 people that'll come on and say, and I don't mind these comments at all. In fact, I appreciate them because it just shows me that, hey, not everyone loves this vendor or thinks this vendor is great or whatever. I'm not talking about Savannah Blue. I'm talking about other videos I've done. So don't feel bad if you don't get a throw from a certain vendor coming on and saying, hey, I'm having trouble getting a throw from this vendor or whatever. I don't mind that at all. I kind of appreciate that actually, because then it just reminds me that not everyone gets the exact same throw, and then it kind of reminds me to tell everyone as well when I'm doing a video that, hey, just because I ordered from this vendor doesn't mean that you should too, you know? So, but anyways, okay, that had nothing to do with Savannah Blue whatsoever, because I haven't warmed any of her stuff. I've just heard from other people that they really like her stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I will come back and report back. I'm still doing like my little series, my vendor quickies or whatever, but I'm just going a little bit slower than I want right now. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.